here, touching left shoulder all the way. That right ear. Okay. Relax. Good. This one. How's training been? How's the body been feeling?
It's been a lot better since the last time I saw you, but I noticed my hamstring's a little bit sore still.
Okay. All right. Cool. What we'll do, we'll get you on your back face up for me, thanks. So holding that one there, nice and strong. Resist. Yep.
That's still sore.
And not much there as well. Yeah. So when we're testing that, we're just testing like how the lower back nerve pathways are activating. So if they're not working well, normally it can be lower back, pelvis, sometimes hip flexor issue as well. Sometimes all the above. Yeah. So this one, just like that. Okay. All right. I'll do your favourite. Breathe in. Breathe in. And out all the way. And in. And out. And in. And out. In. And out. And in. And in. And in. And out. Okay. Go like that. And breathe in. And out. There we go. Cool. Let's do this one here. So keeping your teeth together. Okay. Back to normal. Yeah. That left ear touching left shoulder all the way. That right ear. Okay. Like a pro.
Used to it now?
You're used to it. Took us 10 years, but we got it. Okay. Right. This one, form fist, but more in that way. Pushing up that way. Up. Yep, and down. Yep. That one up. Push up. And down. Okay. Just let that one relax. Good. This one. Okay. And on your tummy for me, thank you. Yeah, you're pretty rotated in your pelvis towards the right. Yes, just that. Left leg up all the way, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Okay, we'll get you on your side, facing towards me this way. This one's going to be a bit... Yeah. Right. Okay. Right, so let that shoulder, just let that shoulder relax all the way, letting it go up towards the head. I'll get you on your back again. This one. Extend, extend. Pushing up. Good. Left one. Good. And sitting up facing that way. Left arm like this, and hold, resist. Right arm, resist. And just that right overhead press. Down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Okay. Just like that. Just relax. Okay. That one bites a bit. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, right arm, push, left arm, push. Good, little finger thumb. Opening up, resist. Good, resist. Beautiful. Right, all good. Cool.